This video will demonstrate how to generate USPS scan forms using ForSeller. The full name of the USPS scan form is the Shipment Confirmation Acceptance Notice Form. It allows shippers to confirm and process multiple packages by scanning a single master tracking number, which includes all the individual tracking numbers for the packages to be mailed. This function primarily aggregates multiple packages, shipping labels, into a single master label via the scan form for one-time scanning and dispatch at the post office. Step 1. Link USPS to ForSeller. Click the Setting button in the top right corner, select Order and Shipping, then Shipping Carriers, and authorize the new USPS interface. To authorize the USPS interface, you need to fill in relevant information, which you can obtain by consulting USPS officials. For detailed acquisition processes, please refer to the help document provided in the video description. Step 2. Create a scan form. Return to the order list. Click the Shipped option in the left menu bar. Once inside, click the USPS Scan Form button, select the shipping carrier, shipping address, order status, choose a date, and then click Confirm Creation in the bottom right corner to create it directly. Step 3. Print the scan form. Return to the USPS Scan Form list and click the Print button to print the scan form. Step 4. Post office delivery. Bring the printed scan form and the packages to be mailed to the post office. Postal staff will scan the master tracking number to complete the mailing process for all packages. Step 5. Notifications and tracking. After scanning, both the shipper and the buyer will receive notifications and be able to track the package's location throughout the mailing process. Using a scan form can prevent postal carriers from missing scanning packages, ensuring each one is correctly scanned and recorded. As business grows, the scan form can help businesses manage package scanning more efficiently, without worrying about spending too much time on it. If merchants do not arrange for USPS pickups, using the scan form allows for direct package delivery at the post office without waiting in line, improving processing speed. That concludes our introduction on how to create a USPS scan form. For more details and examples, visit the ForSeller Online Help Center. If you find this helpful, please leave a comment and feel free to follow us for more useful and up-to-date information. See you in the next video.